Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a top 5 video, and I am going to show you my top 5 matte foundations specially for summers. I have also done one foundation video specifically for summers that was 2 years back. You can go and watch that also, but today I am going to tell you my top 5 recommendation for summers. Of course, these are matte foundation. They are not proper matte, like all of them are not proper matte, but still they are very good for oily skin type and also for combination skin type. So if you are interested, you can keep watching. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm also going to apply it on my face, one side using a brush and one side using a beauty blender. This is damp, of course. Now I'm going to start with my number 5th position foundation. So from number 5 I'm going to move towards number 1. Number 5 I have Maybelline 24 Hours Super Stay Foundation. This is in the shade golden. So I'll tell you what, specifically I have a very oily skin type, especially in summers, and this particular foundation, this is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. It is not very matte, but it gives you a very matte finish, but it does not feel too matte on your skin. But one thing I don't like about this foundation is that it is very heavy foundation. So unless you are looking for a very full coverage look, you should not go for this foundation, because this is very heavy. And yeah, sometimes I just feel that it is very heavy. So it is very good for occasions when you are going to somewhere, or you have some a party to attend, or you know your day is going to be a pretty long one, then you can definitely apply this particular one. And as I said, I am in the shade golden. Let me show you the consistency. So do you see, it is pretty thick. So because it is so thick, that is why it is very heavy on the skin. So I'm going to apply it one side using the brush, so that you can see that what difference it makes. Okay, so for the brush I'm using this Pack 231 brush. So I'm going to just buff this foundation in, just to show you guys the coverage and all. It is very good for covering up your acne marks and everything, because it is like full coverage, so it gives that desired coverage. Okay, so do you see the difference in both the cheeks? This one is more flawless, more covered, and this is like have so much of shine going on, and it is very matte, as you can see. But I don't like to use a brush with this particular foundation. I like to use my beauty blender, because I don't like the heaviness which it gives. But with a beauty blender, this is very nicely blendable, and it does not give you a tough time blending your foundation. So that's what I like. So I'm just going to apply this particular one. So I have taken too much on my palms. So you see, it just spreads so beautifully. Yeah, so it has pretty much covered everything. So that is the beautiful point of this particular foundation, that it covers everything. Whatever mark you have, it is just going to cover it. And the only downside is that I feel that it is too heavy for my liking, and I don't prefer using a brush. I prefer using the beauty blender over the brush. And yeah, that is about it. I think it photographs really well. So if you see me currently, if I put a photograph using this foundation, my face looks flawless on camera, but in person, like I again said, that it is too heavy. So you don't need a lot of it, you just need a little bit amount, and then you can spread it all over. And if dry skin or normal skin type can use it. So see, normal skin type can use it, and dry skin type also can use it, but you have to layer your face using so much of moisturizer, because you know it can dry out your face. So that's why I don't like using this particular foundation in the winter months. I prefer it using in the summer month because it is matte. So yeah guys, so on number 4th position we have this particular foundation by Nykaa. This is Nykaa's Skin Shield foundation. So this claims to be an anti-pollution foundation, and it provides you hydration as well as it controls oil. So I have put this foundation on 4th place because I know that this is not a proper matte foundation, but girl, you need to listen me out. If you have an oily skin type and you sweat a lot and you want some foundation to does not look too much but at the same time give you a flawless finish, so I think this foundation does that job for me. And I know there are people, they don't like this particular foundation, but I think I have used it so many times that I have fallen in love with this particular foundation, especially in the summer month. So first of all, the packaging is so convenient, right? So it has this tube packaging and it is so convenient to carry. So unlike this is a pump, obviously this is also very convenient, but then I feel such packaging, they just, you know, make things easier for you to travel. That's why I love this particular foundation. Also this has a very creamy formula, so even if you have dry skin, you can pretty much pull this foundation up. And for oily skin also, this foundation is a boon, because trust me, I belong to a very oily skin type family. I sweat like pig in summer month, and there is so much of oiliness going around here, even on my cheeks. Just things get worst for me in summers. And yeah, also there are so many shades available in this particular foundation that you are going to find your shade for sure. And what is better than an Indian product? Like, Nykaa is an Indian brand, and Nykaa is doing pretty good job if we compare this particular brand with Lakme. Unlike Lakme, Nykaa knows that what we people require. Now my shade in this one is True Toffee, and it's a pretty nice shade for me. I'll show you the formulation. So you see, so it is not very thick or it is not very liquidy, but it is very creamy, as you can see, but it does not make your skin oily or whatsoever. So you can see the shade match is so good. So really like the shade match though. So there are a little bit of red spot here, so let's see it can cover it or not. I'm going to use this brush, as on this side we are going to use a brush. So it has a beautiful finish, as you can see. It feels super duper light, does not feel heavy at all, and you can see it does not accentuate my pores also. So if you have large open pores, this is not going to accentuate it. So yeah, you can look pretty good while applying this foundation, and it has a pretty nice coverage. As you can see, it mattifies instantly here and it controls the oil secretion. So as you know, Beauty Blender always share out the coverage of the foundation, but I love to apply this foundation with a brush, because if I use a Beauty Blender, this foundation oxidizes on me. So that is why I love using this foundation using a brush, and also with brush it spreads really nicely and the coverage remains intact. So yeah, that's why this foundation is super duper good, super duper lightweight, and yeah, you won't feel something on your face. One downside is that it can transfer, so you need to set this powder if you are from a super duper oily skin type. But if you have a normal to dry skin, you need not set this with a powder. This looks tremendously well in photograph also. Alright you guys, next up on 3rd number we have LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation. So this is LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition HD Longwear Matte Foundation. This is how it looks like. So I'll tell you why I have put this foundation on number 3, because of the shade. I'm having the shade Soft Honey, and I feel it is a little bit lighter on my skin tone. But if I talk about the consistency and everything, this is a really good foundation. I have been using this foundation since 2 years. I bought this foundation of I think Flipkart during some off, and it is truly very nice foundation, I would say, for especially for um, those oily skin girls. As you can see that it comes with a pump, so it is very easy for you to carry this anywhere you like. Only the bottle is glass bottle, so it is not that travel friendly, because if you drop this it will break. Now if you see, this is pretty thick foundation, so it is pretty like the Maybelline one, but this does not feel that heavy on your face. It feels pretty light and pretty fresh. So I'm going to apply this side with a brush. The shade is a little off for me. Other than that, it just covers everything. Now this is pretty matte foundation, so if you are of dry skin type, I will not recommend you using this because it is super duper matte. And I love using a beauty blender for applying this particular foundation because it is so thick that it can become a problem for you to apply this on your face using a brush, but using a beauty blender, it just blends like a dream. Okay, one more thing guys, it can look a little cakey on your face if you take too much, like I have taken too much. So you don't need a very so you don't need much amount of it. So half a pump is sufficient for your whole face, I would say, especially for summers, because it becomes very tiring applying this foundation because it is very thick, as you can see. And that is why I will recommend you using very less amount, as it is very matte, and you can tend to look heavy and cakey if you apply too much of this foundation. Other than that, this is a pretty great foundation for summers, and I love using this particular one, especially in summers. Alright, so after that, let's talk about the next one. So next one which I have is by MAC. So this is their MAC Studio Fix foundation with SPF 15, and I am in the shade NC42. And there's a reason why people obsess with this foundation, because it is that good. Mark my word, it is very good and very durable foundation, and it is super long lasting. It does give a little bit of flashback, but other than that, it is a tremendously amazing foundation. So let me tell you about the consistency and everything. So if you can see, the consistency is really liquidy. It is not very dry or very thick like the other two foundation. It is pretty much like the Nykaa one, even lesser than that. So it is very thin, and it applies, it blends like a dream on your face. So let me give you a demo using a brush on the left side of my face. It is super duper lightweight. It does not make you feel heavy or cakey or whatsoever. And the coverage, you can see the coverage is pretty good also. So I highly recommend this foundation for someone who tries only branded foundation. Like in high-end foundation, this is the best of the best, I will say, specifically for summer, for oily skin type. Tone for sure in this particular range. Variety of shades are available in this particular foundation in India as well. Now I use both sponge and brush. I love the coverage of both the things because it gives such a flawless and airbrushed kind of look, and it does not transfer as well, and neither it makes your pores look bigger. And if you have dry skin type, I will recommend using tons of moisturizer because it may dry your skin out. And in winters, again, you need to moisturize your face really well if you are going to use this particular foundation. But all in all, it is a pretty nice, pretty good foundation for oily skin type, especially in summers. So as they say that you save the best for the last, so I have also done that. So the number one foundation which I love using in summers is this one. This is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and hands down this is the best foundation I have used till date. It is that good, mark my words, it is that good. And the shade which I am using is Caramel, and this is again a matte finish foundation, but it is not too heavy, does not make your face look cakey, or does not make your face looks so heavy. So it is such a good foundation. It makes my face looks as if there is no flaw in my face, and also it gives me really nice coverage, the coverage which we all look forward to. So it is that foundation best. Like, one foundation you need to get is this one. This is amazing. So it is super lightweight and it makes your face looks flawless. So one foundation that you need to get for yourself is this one. This is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. And yeah, you can get any of these based on your preferences and your budget. And yeah, that is about it. That was about today's video. Hope you guys had fun watching it, and let me know which foundation is your favorite, and I will be doing more such videos. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe my channel and also like this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, bye, and love you guys so very much.